Last video of the day right here before we move on into the weekend. We can see basically crypto over the last 24 hours, everything is seeing green. Everything is looking really good at the moment. We're feeling bullish once again. Before we talk about these 5 coins I'm buying into, have already bought, and will hopefully continue to buy more of throughout the rest of this year, I want to show this very quick video here. Very bullish. Look, you can see just in, former President Donald Trump says he'll stop the hostility towards crypto in the US. Listen to this one, guys. This is very interesting.
Thank you for the statement. Yeah, with the goggles on.
A lot of the smartest people in crypto are moving their businesses out of the U.S. because they're scared of the U.S.'s regulations.
Because of the hostility.
Correct.
Yeah, crypto is moving out of the U.S. because of hostility toward crypto.
Correct. So what are you going to do to stop it?
Well, we'll stop it because I don't want that. I don't want that. I want that. If we're going to embrace it, we have to let them be here.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the statement. Yeah.
So yeah, Donald Trump looking pretty bullish on crypto and integrating that into America. So hopefully that will keep business owners to stay at bay rather than have to flee, to Cyprus or Dubai or somewhere else just to be able to operate in a sector, how they wish to, right? So let's talk about it. The 5 coins. Coin number 1. Today is Dogeverse out here, guys. Memes are sitting at $52 billion in terms of valuation. Dogeverse, the last chance to buy before the massive launch, is coming. Over $15 million raised. One Dogeverse is $0.00031 right here. And why this coin is so special is simply because of the wormhole technology they are deploying and the fact that they're also deploying portal technology. So you can actually buy Dogeverse, as you already know, on 6 different chains. You've got Base, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, BEP20 and Ethereum. So you've got so many ways to buy the coin. The interoperability, the cross-chain benefits here is huge because the community can be so much bigger than a coin that just sticks on one ecosystem. The roadmap, we can see nice juicy roadmap. We've got 5 major blocks of the roadmap. Phase 5 is letting us guys know there is a centralized exchange listing on the way. Tokenomically, no massive inflation, no trillions of coins. You have 200 billion tokens, and that is it. So 200 billion right there. Looking really good. Coin number 1, I had to give it to Dogeverse because I do feel bullish on this ecosystem right here. They've got 15.1k followers. Dogeverse taking Doge multi-chain. The link is down below should you wish to research on this coin and have a look at it. But do remember, none of these coins are financial advice. Coin number 2 is Pepe. Pepe, I think, is marching its way towards a new all-time high, which could happen very soon. Looking at Pepe, they had a very recent tweet which was quite bullish as well, and I think just with that recent perpetual futures contract on Coinbase, it just, it's more ammunition. But you can see Pepe featured as one of the top components in new market vector meme coin index by VanEck US. Memes equal money, so this is of course a big thing. It says top components: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and then Pepe is now listed there too. So more eyes on Pepe. I think we could see an all-time high maybe for Pepe soon. Yeah, Pepe is trending at the very top here in the crypto markets as well. Do like the video if you like Pepe. Let the world know about Pepe coin. Subscribe as well, please. That really helps. Coin number 3 will be Optimism. I'm bullish on OP. Optimism is a coin that every time I see an opportunity to get into at a lower price, I do try my best to do so. Recently, it was trading at $4.60. Now we saw it go down to $2.12, and it's trading at $2.60 as of recent times. Optimism is a coin that if you're bullish on a super chain, if you're bullish on layer 2s, this is something extraordinary. So the superchain ecosystem has already grown out to Base, Fractal, Mode, OP mainnet. But this is a big project right here that has been live for some time, gone from infant sizes of $150 million up to massive scale of $4.73 billion. OP, like I say, guys, this is one I do look out for, and I do buy as much as possible. Of the recent dip allowed a $1.82 buy-in just a few weeks ago, and since that drop it has been up. So it's still a coin I'm very much keen to buy and hold. And I think just looking at the way this thing is trading, it's trading in massive kind of impulse cycles. So it's going up, correcting, producing a higher low, goes up, corrects, produces a higher low, and then it keeps on going up and up and up. So maybe we can produce a higher high soon, which will actually be a new all-time high and push it into the $5 region. So optimism is one I'm bullish on. Market accessibility, of course, you can get this on the big boys like Binance and Coinbase. And if you also want to grab it on MEXC to do it the non-KYC way, you got my link down below to help you guys do that. Coin number 4 is Polygon Matic. If you're bullish on Ethereum, then you should also be bullish on Polygon. They have very much a synergetic Batman-Robin relationship, and every time I see this coin go down, I also get rather bullish. Recently, $1.26 down to 70 cents. You're buying into a dip right here, and you can see this coin, once upon a time in 2020, was trading much higher at $3. Now, of course, it has been hit by a little bit of inflation since and token dilution, but almost every coin is now in pure circulation. So this is something quite interesting, and I think, you know, on the macro, it does look like one Geiger or large symmetrical triangle over there. I would hope to see that Matic is going to break out soon, because every time Matic does get towards the lower RSI region, we do start to see continuation to the upside. You can see we are actually consolidating really nicely over here for Matic as well on this particular chart, which could be forming a bit of an ascending triangle, which is also a bullish reversal pattern where we're getting continuation to the upside. So I'd keep your eyes on Matic. As you can see, it did recently dip down into that oversold territory, shall I say. This was in April, hasn't happened for a long time now. On the weekly, you can see as well, the RSI did go from massive euphoric highs. So it's better to be buying in these lower RSIs and then waiting until the RSI actually moves up to the top, where you can start taking some profits and start, you know, compounding those gains and rinse and repeat. You know, buy RSI low, sell RSI high. That is the new kind of slogan I'm going to try and use. No longer is it buy low, sell high. It's buy RSI low, sell RSI high. So yeah, definitely a good one to look at. Polygon, worth checking out. If you're bullish on Ethereum, you should already be bullish on Polygon. Next coin would be Quant, chilling at $100 right now, because the Quant is just like, you know, it's volatile. It has its days. It's hit before in the past $300+, nearly 400. You can see 81.13% of supplies in circulation, $1 billion MC, when it did actually hit that all-time high at $4.65 billion market capital. So the tokenomics are solid, but I do just think this coin needs to really be within a proper bull run in order to see it go crazy. But when I see Quant come down in price, I mean, look, a few days ago it was sitting at $140. What's to stop it getting back there at some point, you know? And even a month ago it was actually sitting at $115. So I do think at some point we're going to see Quant come back up. In 2023 it was chilling at $140 and things weren't even bullish, so really waiting for this coin to wake up at some point in the future. So do check out QNT as well. I think it could be a good one. It did, of course, you know, when it hit those larger numbers, it was at a much higher level of RSI, and at the moment it has really been respecting this kind of $87-90 support region. So Quant is another one I'm looking at. Every time it comes down, I do see it presenting quite a nice dollar cost average opportunity as well. If we look at our 6 hour and smaller time frames, you can see it is dipping down to those lower RSI regions, and it is providing good insights each time round. Ladies and gents, if you're new here and you want trading signals, you want early calls, insights, next big stealth launches, meme coins, all the info is down below. Become a patron today and unlock all the VIP benefits within my Discord channel. So thank you everyone who is a patron. Thank you everyone in the Discord as well. There's over 26,000 people. You lovely people, thank you. High five, boosh, for joining. And if you have questions, want to chat with me, Discord down below is the place to do so. Thank you everyone. Patreon is there. Make sure you check out Dogeverse before it sells out, which is very soon. And yeah, that could be a really a good one, especially if the markets continue to look more bullish. Thanks for watching this video. Stay crypto safe, have a great weekend, and see you all soon. Bye for now.